My name is Zach, and I like to backpack around the world. Yes, I am back. The hiatus that I was on, I guess we can call it a hiatus now. The hiatus that I was on is now over. I am back. I am returning to YouTube. I am bringing back Zack backpacking around the world. A new era of Zack backpacking around the world. A refined Zack backpacking around the world. I've missed doing this creative outlet, having YouTube, making videos, having a way to express myself, having a way to share my travels on video. I am back now. Anyways, I'm on my lunch break right now and I'm about to have to go back to work. So tomorrow I am traveling somewhere south of the border. I'm not only returning to YouTube in this video, no, I'm returning to somewhere else that I have not been since September. So stay tuned. Good morning, guys. I'm about to start heading to the airport. It is currently about 3:30 a.m. here in Memphis, Tennessee. I have a 6 o'clock flight to catch to Mexico City. Well, I have an 8-hour layover in Dallas, Texas, and then I'll be heading to Mexico City. So I have a long day at the airport, but oh well.
There's a pain in my heart and it won't go away. Now I know I'm falling in deep. I just never took the time.
So my flight to Mexico City got delayed until 7:30 a.m. tomorrow morning due to volcanic activity in the Mexico City area. A volcano erupted nearby Mexico City and there's volcanic ash in Mexico City, so they delayed it till 7:30 a.m. I'm going to try to get another flight tonight into Mexico City, but I doubt it. Well, I couldn't get on the other flight to Mexico City. They said the flight was full, so it looks like I'm going to be spending the night in the airport. So I will be spending the first half of my birthday in the Dallas-Fort Worth airport. So I'm going to wrap up this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I am back. I'm glad to be back, and I'm glad that you took the time to watch this video. Thank you. Good night from Dallas-Fort Worth Airport. My name is Zach, and I do like to backpack around the world. Good night.